Okay, tuone Python query operations. How to write query kufetch data from Excel file kwa kutumia Python programming language na Streamlit open source library ya Python. Just kutengeneza simple web application kufanya statistical analysis. So hizi data set zipo kwenye Microsoft Excel na column ya police, expire, location, state, region, investment and so on. Hizo ni columns. Just write query kufetch data from Excel file na kutumia Streamlit library ku visualize output za query kwenye web interface. Okay, so what is the objective? Objectives za video hii ni first, write a Python query to fetch data from Excel file na ku visualize output kwenye web interface. Okay, another objective is basic statistical query na advanced query. Okay, so now for example, hii ni web. Kija kuangalia na query number 1. In query number 1, you can see select county states by frequency. Okay, so kija kuangalia kwenye file la Excel, state in hii hapa, I have a column inaitwa state na hizi ni number of states. So write a query to fetch data from Excel file, column inaitwa state. Select county state by frequency, how many number Dodoma may appear, how many number Kigoma may appear. So that is the frequency. Okay, so now visualize output ya hii query. So nikiclick, you can see kwenye upande left side hii hapa ni select county state na hizi ni states by frequency. Right side hizi ni frequency. Okay, so now how many number Dodoma imeappear, you can see number hii hapa, hizo ndo frequency. So the same to Kigoma, Dar es Salaam, Mwanza. Okay, na hizi ni corresponding frequency. That is query number 1. Okay, so again I have query number 2. Select county state by frequency but show a simple bar graph. Okay, kwa ajili ya ku show frequency za state. So nikivisualize output, you can see hizi hapa just a X observation na Y frequency, X observation and Y frequency. Okay, observation ni states, for example Dodoma, Kigoma and Dar es Salaam, and frequency how many number Dodoma may appear. Now you can see kwenye hii output most frequent state is Dodoma kwa sababu ina highest bar. Okay, that is query number 2. I have query number 3. Select how many number of business type imeappear, yani select count business type also by frequency. What is business type? A business type is a column kwenye database ya Excel. As you see, I have number of business types, retail, apartment, farming, hospitality and so on. So select unique how many number apartment imeappear and farming imeappear. Okay, when I visualize output, proja kuona apartment is most high frequency na farming is the second on office building and so on. Okay, here ilikuwa ni query number 4 as well, and another query is query number 5. For example, query number 5 na select maximum investment and maximum rating where. So where is a condition, state is Mwanza and date is a date range from this to this. Okay, so where is investment and where is state and rating are columns kwenye data set. As you see, investment, okay, and rating is in the columns. Okay, so select maximum investment and maximum rating, but where state is Mwanza. Okay, so when you come to visualizing output, so you can see this is output. I have investment and rating. Okay, so I have query number 6, query number 7, number 8. Okay, those queries up to query number 20. So in query number 10, 20, you can see we have a quantile distributions. Okay, so box plot to show quartiles distributions. When I click, so you can see an output. I have to write a query to select a particular state. For example, I pick a select box na nachagua, for example, state is Dar es Salaam. Okay, so now you can see a value for Dar es Salaam, and this is quartile distributions. It kuna maximum value, minimum value, first quartile, second and third quartile. So hizo ni quartile distributions. So as you see, I have first quartile, okay, second quartile, third quartile, minimum and maximum. Okay, and here we have a distribution box. So we have this one, we have upper fence, and median is second quartile, and we have a minimum value in first quartile. Na here hapa ni distribution dots. Okay, for a particular particular state ambayo nimeclick. So for example, when I click Mwanza, okay, so now you can see a box plot imeandagua some changes. When I click Kilimanjaro, so you can see a box plot and values zake ni hizi. Okay, so that is all about the query. So what is query? Query is a set of questions ambayo ask a database to return some set of value. So a query can be simple or complicated query kutegemea na parameters ambayo unaipa query. Okay, so now how do we implement this system? First tutakuwa na query worksheet ambayo tutatumia kwa ajili ya ku create a query. This is a query worksheet ambayo tutatumia. Okay, and also we have a real world data set ambayo tutatumia kwa ajili ya ku create a project. So to implement this project, come to your computer and navigate downloads directory. When you just click it, and hapa inside you just right click when you hit download directory. Okay, so now right click and choose new, and choose a new folder, and your folder name, create desired project. So write desired project name, for example, my project. That is our project. After then, double click to open. Okay, now good. So hapo unachofuata ni just kufungua Visual Studio Code or any desired IDE ambayo unaitumia. So rudi katika folder address bar ambayo hapa just nita click ku highlight. Okay, after then nitaandika cmd. Hii ni shortcut ya ku open command prompt. Okay, so after then click enter. So as you see, hii ni just a command prompt imeshakuwa opened. Kinachofuata ni ku open Visual Studio Code. So shortcut andika code space dot and / after then click enter. So Visual Studio Code will be opened kwa kutumia hiyo shortcut. Okay, okay, so now good. After opening Visual Studio Code, step unafuata ni create a Python file. So unakuja hapa katika hii hapa uta position cursor as you see new file. So uta click create a new file. So file name is home, okay, or index, and file extension is .py and .python. Py is file extension of Python. Then click enter. Now good. So here first step to import dependencies. Okay, so dependency was an Streamlit. So import Streamlit. Then is st. Okay, again we import Panda. We like to load the dataset from hard disk drive. Okay, so import library for pandas is assign pandas to PD. For visualization purpose, we import plotly.express. So import plotly, okay, dot express is px. Okay, so now step number 1, I think we're going to set page configurations. Set page as well. So tumia our library ambayo ni Streamlit, tunatumia est, okay, kwa ajili ya kuset page. St.set, then choose a set page config, and this is built-in function, and die number of arguments. The first argument is page title, so now write page title and choose page title as dashboard. Okay, another optional argument is page icon, so write page icon. So here you can press desired icon. Okay, so another argument is layout, ambayo ni optional argument. Layout can be centered, so now we choose layout equal to wide. Okay, so now good. Another thing is to set page header. So this is page header. Okay, so in page header just write st dot, I think, header. Then this is built-in function, and die a string ya argument. So how to andika, for example, statistics for information analysis. Again, st.subheader, this is a subheader. Okay, yes, hapo ndio andika Python query operations, Python query operations. Okay, so another step is to load a dataset from hard disk drive. So now load dataset from HDD is hard disk drive. So now we use pandas library ambayo tumeassign kwenye variable inaitwa pd. Okay, so we create a data frame. df is data frame, and user defined variable. Assign df to pandas dot read excel file as well. So make sure choose the excel or csv kutegemeana na data ambayo unayo. For example, now kuja kwenye hard disk drive, come to downloads directory. Here ndo our data set. So what is the file extension? So right click and choose properties. Now you can see file extension ni .xlsx. Okay, this is the file extension. Hii kwa maana kwamba hili ni file la excel na sio csv. So file name is Python query. As you see, file name is Python query. Okay, so hapa katika kodi, so it's really excel. Then our file name is Python, okay, underscore query. File extension is .xlsx. Okay, so our data set ambayo ni hii, so inatoka uje katika the same project directory. So now right click and just copy it and paste it to my project directory. So paste here. Okay, so now paste. Okay, so Python query, the same directory, when is the same directory. Okay, suppose I have number of sheets. So this is sheet 1. For example, when I have sheet number 2 na dataset current zipo kwenye sheet number 2. So now you can add another argument here, sheet name equal to, then write a sheet name. So my sheet name is sheet number 1 ambao current in a dataset sheet number 1, so I can write sheet number 1. Okay, so open code, and here is, so the case sensitive is case sensitive kwa sababu sheet ni s ni capital letter, kwa hakikisha una note hicho kitu. Case sensitive like is sheet number 1. Okay, so now another step, let's try to print dataset. Okay, so now print data set, print your data set. So kuna number of visualization widgets kwenye Streamlit. So for material design natumia with st dot use expander and now show data set. So now we print the data set this small letter st dot data frame. Okay, so our data frame is df, so df. Another argument is optional, use container width is equal to true. So now save changes, click file and click save, save changes. Okay, and run your project. So to run your project kuna two ways. Way number 1, hapa kwenye Visual Studio Code, click on terminal tab. Okay, and choose new terminal. So terminal window itapia kama hivi. Okay, so let's expand. So hapa tuta just run my project. So just kuandika Streamlit space run space, file name is home.py. Okay, so home.py ndo hii home.py about current na write my project. Okay, so now home.py. After writing, so now you can click enter. Okay, so now good. As you see, I have a st.header. Okay, so this is header, but tulikuwa tumeandika st.header statistic for information analysis. Okay, again we have st.subheader Python query operations. Okay, so ambayo ni hii hapo subheader, and here we load the dataset. In hapa tumetumia st.expander show dataset. So what is expander? Expander ni hii. Okay, hiki click imeandikwa show dataset. Okay, that is expander. Inside expander mtumia data frame ku print your dataset. Okay, so niki expand, now you can see our dataset. Okay, okay, so now good. Another step is to at least to create a side navigation. So this is side now. Okay, so st dot nav st dot sidebar. So sidebar now we can put our image. Okay, so we put image, make sure that image ipo kwenye the same directory. Okay, so inaweza kana kwenye root level lakini the same directory. So now click on downloads and copy here for image. Okay, copy it kwenye my project hapo and paste. Okay, so check file extension log1 and click properties. So file extension is .png portable network graphics. Okay, so come to our project and st.sidebar n dot image. Okay, then this is in a built-in function, then inapitisha argument, one argument image path. Image path ipo kwenye root level, image path ipo kwenye root level. So kwenye root level unaandika file name and file extension. File name is logo1, file extension is .png. Okay, so now save changes, okay, and come to refresh and output here kuja kuona. Okay, so now it looks so nice. Okay, so another step here, let's start kuandika query. So start kuandika query number 1. Okay, so now this is query number 1. And query number 1, this is query number 1 as well. So in query number 1, just come to our worksheet. Query number 1 now, from our dataset, ambayo ni hii hapa dataset yetu. Okay, from our dataset select count states. Count maana kwamba how many number of states zimeappear by frequency. Okay, select count states by what? By frequency. So let's copy it. Okay, come hapa kwenye hii project with st.expander. Okay, with st.expander, then paste. Okay, paste, select count states by what? By frequency. Okay, so now hii ni just a function, lazima implement. How to select states by frequency? So now create a variable that is state count. State count is equal to our dataset is df. Okay, equal to df, then kwenye df find a state column. Okay, state column. So the state column ambayo ni hii hapa state, and is case sensitive, so wewe kuchukua hiyo state ndipo iandika hapo state, then count how many number state imeappear. So use dot operator access a built-in function inaitwa dot value counts, then pitisha. Ukitaka kuona argument unafuata hapa, bonyeza control keypad katika keyboard, then hold, then press backspace. Utaona hizi options. Okay, hizi ni options, but hapa tuki option yoyote. Now after counting set index as well, choose set index, and hii ni built-in function. Okay, another step is to state count dot select what? Columns. Okay, and then columns equal to is equal to array. First one, assign the first column is state. Okay, and assign the second column is frequency. Just kuandika hizi column state and frequency kama zinavyoonekana katika dataset, state kama inavyoonekana katika dataset. Okay, and frequency. Okay, so another step is to print output kwa kutumia data frame st.write. Okay, .write. So this is the count of state by frequency, count of states by frequency. okay. Then natumia st.dataframe, okay. Dataframe tunatumia hiyo variable ya state count and use container width equal to true, okay. So save changes, okay, and come to refresh output in our project ambayo hii. Now refresh, now good. So you can see I have query number 1, select count states by frequency, click. So now you can see states, okay. So state Dodoma, how many number imeappear? This one, okay, this frequency. Kigoma, how many number imeappear? 91. Dar es Salaam, how many number imeappear? So this is state by frequency, okay. Okay, so now we write second query, worksheet. Second query is select count states by frequency, but show a simple bar graph. X ni states and Y feature ni frequency kwenye bar graph. So copy it to our project, okay. Okay, so this is query number 2, okay. So let's write comment. This is query number 2. So in query number 2, the same procedure, okay, with st.expander, okay. Then in a previous string, then control V shortcut paste. Shall I paste here? This is query number 2. Select count states by frequency, the same, but show a simple bar graph, okay. Okay, so now good. So how to implement? First step is to create a figure, sababu bar graph inahitaji x features na y features, x for observation and y for frequency, okay. So my figure equal to plotly.express ambayo tuliassign as a px, plotly.express. In plotly.express we access a built-in function naitwa bar, okay, bar, and we implement your bar kwa hizo brackets. So what is the fig? Fig is the user defined variable. What is the px? Px ni library naitwa import plotly is px. What is the px? So to kuona hiyo px ina nini ndani yake, bonyeza control keypad and hold, position cursor and click kwenye px hapo. So utaita kwenye hii class ya px ili file, okay. So hapo utajust kuona a number of implementation kwenye px. We have number of plots kama vile scatter plot and scatter 3-dimension plots, scatter polar plots, scatter geo kwa geographical data. We have a line polar and a box plot, area chart, violin and so on, histogram, scatter matrix, parallel coordinates and so on. So you can access a particular graph. So si tumie access hii graph inaitwa bar. Then you can click, unaweza kubonyeza hiyo control keypad ukai hold kisha ukaklik kwenye bar. Ukiklik kwenye bar itakuleta hapa, okay. The same ni home, ukibonyeza control nikai hold nikiklik katika bar italeta hapa, okay. Kwa kinileta hapa, na hiyo bar ina number of arguments ambazo unaweza kuzipitisha kwenye bar kama vile x feature and y feature. So now as they are defined, we have also animation, color, text, labels, and orientation, height, width, and so on. So sisi hapa katika hii is bar tuna access first argument na first argument. Kwa first one tunaipa kwanza data ambayo ni state count from top, then tunaipa x ishakuwa defined kwenye hii hapa. Okay, as you see we have x na x is none, so x yetu sisi hapa itakuwa x equal to state kwenye our data frame. Okay, so x itakuwa ni state kwenye data frame ambayo ni upande wa x feature ni observation or population. So ndaandika hapa state. Okay, and comma another argument is y equal to what frequency, guys, frequency. Okay, and also unaweza choose labels equal to, kwenye labels equal to let's weka hizi dictionary, so just write x. Okay, x equal to, let's choose state. Alright, and inafuata just andika y equal to frequency, and title is optional. Okay, so unaandika title kaacha, so title ni optional. Okay, after then kuja ku display hapa chat yetu. Okay, so utakuja hapa mwisho hapo kuja ku display hiyo chat. Okay, so now fig dot update layout. Okay, update layout, and then hii ni built-in function, then show legend equal to t capital letter and choose true. Okay, show legend true, and again fig dot update x-axis, so another axis, update underscore x-axis. Okay, then show grid equal to true. So the same procedure kuja kuiwekea y, so y-axis show grid equal to true. So now display a plot, so tumia st.plotly chart. Okay, and then display our feed and use container width equal to true. So after doing so, we have katika hii menu bar, click and click save. Okay, and come to refresh output. Good. Select count states by frequency and show a simple bar graph. And I click. So now here's the states by frequency. Okay, so for example now Dodoma, as you see kwenye hiyo pop-up, frequency ni 245. Kigoma frequency is 91. Okay, Dar es Salaam frequency is 90. Mwanza 28. Arusha is 17. So hii ni minimal frequency 14, maximum hii hapa ambayo na highest bar. Okay, so kuna kitu cha kubold. How to bold? For example ni query 1, Nataka ku bold ika multiple stars. Okay, and hii query number 2 nataka ku bold weka multiple stars. Okay, kwa sababu hii states ni column kwenye dataset, again i bold, na hii states ni column kwenye dataset na yenyewe i just bold. Save changes, come to refresh and output. As you see here, zimekuwa bolded. Query 1 is bolded and states ni column kwenye database imekuwa bolded. Query 2 is bolded and states is bolded. Okay. Okay. So next step is to write query number 3. Ile kwenye worksheet now, query number 3, select county business type by frequency. Okay, so now copy it, kuja kwenye data kwenye project. So hii ni just a comment. So this is query, number 3. Okay. Okay. So the same procedure. Hapa naandika with st dot expand as the same. Okay. Then you hizo quotation. Ndani ya quotation paste kile ambacho tulikikopi pale. Okay. Okay. So this is query 3. Select county business type by frequency. So now bold it. Sorry. Okay. Bold 3. Select county business type is just a column by frequency. And here we come now. So what is business type? The business type ni column kwenye our data set ambayo ni here pa business type. We have retail, apartment, farming and so on. Okay. So query number 3 ni the same with query number 1. Kwenye query number 1 tumeselect states by frequency. In query number 3 select business type by frequency. The same query, just unaweza kai copy kuanzia hapa kipande. Okay, iko copy kipande kisha kuja ukipaste hapa. Okay, yes. Mbuka Python indentation muhimu. So now una change column name from state to business type. Okay, and just copy it and hapa from state to business type and county of business type. Okay, and state county is state county number 2 because zero variable hii ilishakuwa defined. State county number 2 dot columns. Okay, and here is still data frame state county number 2. This is query number 3. Now you can save changes and come to refresh and output. Okay, now good. This is query number 3. Click, you can see business type by frequency, apartment frequency hapo. Okay, farming frequency ni hii hapo. Okay, office building frequency hapo, and so on and so on. Okay, now good. So query number 4, select county business type by frequency and show a simple bar graph. Okay, so now copy it. come to duplicate. So this is query number 4. So with st dot expander hapo, okay, and then namna hii, then mundano just ku paste hii hapo, okay. So now good. Select count business type by frequency. Query number 4 is the same with query number 2. So now copy query number 2, okay, and hapo come to duplicate in query number 4 and change baadhi ya vitu, okay. So let's copy business type. So here tuna change he x equal to business type, okay, and hapa one is just a business type, okay. And now come to query number 3, copy hichi kipande hapa, okay, copy it and njoo hapa kwenye query number 4 hapo, just paste, okay. Okay, so hii ni just a business type count, so change the variable name to business count, okay, business type, sorry, hapa ni just a business type, okay, business type, okay. So business type by frequency, and happen business type by frequency, and business type frequency, business type, okay. So it's gonna same. So hapa tunaondoa hii state count, tunaandika business type variable here, okay. Okay, I think everything is good. So now come to save changes and refresh any output. Now you can see query number 4. You click and here is just a simple bar graph. So most high frequency business is the apartment. Why? Because in a maximum number of frequency, you have 169, okay. Inafuata ni farming and office building and hospitality and so on. Ya mwisho inakuwa ni education ambayo ina minimal frequency of 1. Okay, so now query number 5. Select the maximum of investment and the maximum of rating, where state is Mwanza and date is a range from January 2021 to January 16, 2021. I think this is advanced query sababu in a number of parameters, okay. Now copy it into our source code, okay. So this is query number 5, okay. So with st dot expander the same, okay, then there is a quotation, right click and paste, okay. So hii lazima iwe kwenye the single line, lazima kwenye the single line. Okay, so select maximum investment. So investment is column kwenye database ya Microsoft Excel. So now enabled, and maximum rating only. Okay, where state is column, okay, is Mwanza, and date is range from that one 2021 to January 16 2021. Then kitu kama hiki ikienda. Okay, so how to write query? Write query hii inafanya kazi ya query number 5 inafanya descriptive statistic. So this is descriptive statistic. Why? Kwa sababu max is measure of tendency. Okay, max na ni built-in function, na kusema hii ni descriptive statistic. Okay, so how to implement? To implement kwenye query number 5, let's write a variable ambayo itakuwa inaitwa query number 5 equal to our data frame, and where state is Mwanza. Okay, so hapo unaandika state equal to, so value kwenye dataset where state is Mwanza. Mwanza case sensitive, imeanza na capital letter M, so it's case sensitive. Where state is Mwanza. So hapa unaandika where state is Mwanza. Okay, but again, and a date is a range. Okay, so from January 2 to January 16. Kwenye dataset column ya date ipo kwenye expire. So expire ni data type ya date. Na before ujaandika hiyo query, hakikisha kwamba hii column ipo kwenye date format. So unaweza kuiselect entire column, unaweza na click hapa kwenye column later, click and right click and choose format cells. Okay, good, and click date option na select desired date. For example, nikichagua hii hapa Wednesday, nikichagua hii, so hizi ni date format tunaweza kazi click. Okay, okay, so make sure zipo kwenye date format. So expire, hii ni column. So hapa kwenye source code where state is Mwanza. Okay, so where state Mwanza nako kwenye brackets za namna hii. So huku nyuma kwenye df just kufungua hii bracket ya namna hii. Okay, hiyo bracket ya namna hii, then just kufungua hii bracket ya namna hii. Okay, then andika hiyo hapo df, then hapa una close bracket ya namna hii, then una close again bracket ya namna hii. I think umefahamu vizuri. So where state is Mwanza, and hii ni operator. Okay, df expire, okay, expire, remember expire here, okay, expire is a date range, so is between, also kupata between is greater or equal, then una write date, 2021 for example, January, okay, 02, okay, again una just kuandika end hapo, end the same here pa expire, yes, copy it hapa kuja kuipaste here, okay, is between January 16. Okay, so kupata a range deviation unachukua 16 ukitoa 2 utapata differences ya 14 days. Okay, so after writing that query, kinachofuata ni ku select a maximum. Okay, so maximum ya nini? Maximum ya investment and the maximum ya rating. Okay, okay, so now kwa sababu rating na investment ni 2 columns na hapo kwenye multiple dimension array, so inakuwa namna array. The first one is column inaitwa investment, kwa sababu mambo select max for investment. Okay, so investment ni column kwenye dataset investment ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, so from this column select maximum investment, so andika hapo investment, okay, and rating. Okay, so his column B, select what? A maximum value. So select maximum value, nitumia aggregation function, so dot aggregation function ni hapa, both investment na rating find maximum value. So when you aggregation function direct notisha single argument inaitwa max. Okay, okay, so now the time kwa ajili ya ku print an output. Okay, okay, so let's print output. Output inakuja kwenye multi-dimension array, so tunatumia data frame st dot choose data frame. Hii ni built-in function, and ndani yake unaipitisha query. Our query is query 5 ambayo ni hii hapa, query number 5. Okay, so naja kusema container width equal to true. So now save changes and come to refresh an output. So no good. Query number 5, and click the drop down. You can see select maximum investment. Maximum investment is this one, and the maximum rating is this one. But for Mwanza, only for Mwanza what state, but a date is range from this to this. Okay, see, so nikija katika my data set here, maximum rating we have so kuna maximum rating katika data set kipima greater than 9.1 ipo, so tuna rating ambayo ni 9.6, so this is maximum ukicompare na hii, lakini sisi tumesearch maximum for state Mwanza and date range, specified date range, Kwa hii 90.6 haianguki katika conditions tulizoziandika. I think is good. So another query is query number 6, simple query 6. Let's copy it, come to our source code. So comment query is query number 6. So with st dot expander, okay, sorry, then equal quotation, then inakuwa namna hii. So select count state where state equal to Dodoma. I think hiyo ni just a simple query, okay. So now hapa natengeneza just a variable count underscore state equal to, natengeneza na equal my data frame ambayo ni df, naika hizi bracket, okay. Then again na access df again, nafanya df, then ndani ya df na just kufind the column inaitwa s capital letter, sababu tulisema ni sensitive, where hiyo ni equal to number state equal to yapo Dodoma. So Dodoma d ni capital letter kama value inavyoonekana kule Dodoma. Okay, ambapo select nini, select count state where state equal to Dodoma. Okay, can start state equal to Dodoma. I think everything is good. So hiki ambacho tumekiandika hapa inataka kufanya nini, dot natumia built-in function hii hapa count, na kwa sababu count ni function unaweka bracket za namna hiyo. Kuona arguments zinatoka kupitishwa hapo, unaweka control keypad then unashikilia na bonyeza backspace, ndio na columns index and so on. Count first dot tumia dot info ili ya ku print data set hiyo. Okay, so count state ndio tunaipitisha hapo, naandika tu count state. So this is query number 6. Select count state, ni state kwa sababu ni column kwenye database, state tunaiwekea hiyo hapo. Is query number 6, therefore hiyo kui bold, okay. Even query number 5 what we bold, okay. Query number 4 na yenyewe na bold kama hivi. Okay, so now save changes, we will refresh and output as well. For output ya query number 6, select count state where state equal to Dodoma. State papi, state in here, okay. Where state equal to Dodoma. So manual you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 Dodoma 8 9 10 11. So hii ni manual, hii hapa just kutumia computing language. So nikiclick I think there is a mistake here. Mistake. Select county state okay. So that mistake hapa baada ya kuandika hii I think hapa, okay. So column ambayo nataka iende count ni just kuandika hapa state, state.count. Well, save changes and now come to refresh and output. Good. Now we can see values 2 4 5. So hii inakuwa kuimake kuwa bigger. So kuja hapa info.info hapo just kuandika a function, then unaweka hizi quotation, okay. Ndani hizo quotation hii kwa sababu ni just a variable na yake ndani ya hizi brackets, okay. Na hii just unaiwekea attribute. Hii inaitwa markdown language, hii kwa ajili ya kufanya heading. Hizi ni heading number 2. Save changes and come to refresh and output. Now good, click it. I'm sorry, hapa kuna space hapo space, then save changes again come to refresh and output, then click it, so you can see imekuwa much bigger. Okay, so another query is query number 7, so copy it. So query number 7, select county state and county region where location equal to Dodoma and region equal to East. Now come katika data set, select what? County state. Okay, so how many number of states? In again, any region, and select a region. Where is the region? Here. Okay, and where location is Dodoma. So where state is Dodoma? So where state is Dodoma. Okay, and region is East, and region is East. Okay. Okay, so hiyo ni query number 7. So just andika namna hii, query number 7. So with st.use expander. Okay, expander, then you weka hizo bracket quotation, then paste a query. Okay, sorry, namna hii. So query number 7, sababu hii ni just kuiwekea design, so hizo zinakuwa ni bold, hapo inakuwa ni bold. So select county state. State ni column hii kwenye our database, and region ni column na nyona hii on bold, where location go to Dodoma. So not location, just typing here hapo, even where state. Okay, okay. Okay, so now in query number 7, nachokifanya hapa ni just kutengeneza my variable, za defined variable. So hii variable inaita jina la count. So let's zoom on count underscore location, count underscore, I think location state, count location, county region as well, in some location. County region equal to our data frame ambayo ni df. So kisha katika df kama hivyo nafungua bracket za hivi. Okay, then ndani yako na kuja access df ambayo ni bado ni data frame yetu, then ina access column ya state shafahamika kwenye data set yetu, column ya state ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, column ya state. Okay, ambayo ya state equal to Dodoma. Now where state equal hapo Dodoma ni just another the capital letter, and the region, select the county state and region where state sawa sana Dodoma. I think hijamaliza and region equal to East. Siki ilikuwa nimekiacha. Okay, and region equal to East, and copy it, and kama hapa kwa ajili ya kuongezea. So region equal to East. Hii region kwa sababu ni column ya database unaweka namna hii. Okay, so hapo tutakuwa imekamilika. So hapa na just kuandika end, unaona, then nafungua bracket df, then na access region, then hapa naandika equal to, ni case sensitive kama inavyoonekana hapa katika dataset region. Okay, equal to East, or it can be Midwest, North, East, vivyo tutakavyoamua. Okay, so kwa kujifunza tumeandika just region equal to East. Okay, and now we just ready kufanya hapa state and region. So now tunatumia nini kuweza ku count? Tunatumia region. So just andika hapa region, tumia dot operator, access method inaitwa count. Count hapa ni built-in function. So now data zinapokuwa zinakuja katika mfumo wa single value. So unaweza kutumia st.info, so just copy it, the same code ambayo ni hii, just kuja ku duplicate hapa. st.info f now is county region, so na just kuiondoa hii, naandika county region. Okay, so now after doing so, now we're going to save changes na go refresh and output kwenye web browser. Refresh. Now you can see query number 7, click hapo. Okay, so again it's query number 8. Select county, state and region where location is Dodoma and region is East and investment is greater than hapo. So hii ni complicated query. State and region, select state and region, select state and select region. Okay, but where, I think where state, not location, where state equal to Dodoma, where state equal to Dodoma. Okay, and region equal to East. Okay, data frame, region equal to East and investment is greater than this one. So now say I copy query number 8, copy it to source code hapo. So this is query number 8. So with st.expander on here, quotation, then paste, na hii tulisema kwenye single line, so lazima kwenye single line inakuwa namna hii. Okay, so another thing is to add material design. So kwa sababu hii state ni column, select county state na inaona hii, and region inakuwa namna hii. Okay, bold hiyo, where not location is where state, na inaona bold equal to Dodoma. Okay, and region equal to East as well, and investment is greater than kiwango cha fedha. Okay, so kwa sababu ni query hapa na nyetu tunaijaza bold na kwa namna. So how to achieve, ni wale hapa ngoja kuimplement bold ya hii function ya expand. Okay, so hapa tunatengeneza user defined variable ambayo nitaita count state, for example count underscore state. Count state equal to df, if you muone, then hapa na equal tena data frame yangu ya df mwe na access column inaitwa state, so inakuwa ndani ya quotation ni hapo state, where state equal to Dodoma. So hapa just andika equal to Dodoma. Okay, and region is East. I think ni copy to the same, and region is East, let's copy it, and region is East. Okay, but in our condition, and region is East. Okay, and investment is greater than something ambayo ni hii. Sasa hiyo condition ndio iliongezeka kutofautiana ile condition ya juu. So nakuja hapa. Okay, hapo naongeza in naika tu hapa ndani. Okay, hapo in df, I think df na kwa ndani ya brackets na df kwa namna hii, and df copy df investment as well, haipo hapa. Investment is hapo greater or equal to 3. So output ije kutokana na column gani? Column for example ya location. Kwa hilo unaweza choose any column, for example unaweza choose location, state, region and so on. Hiyo ni kama order by. Okay, kama unaweza choose location, then dot count namna hii. Then output inakuja as a single value. Kama as a single value, let's choose the same st.info. Hapo ndio uipaste hapo, then napitisha hapo, inakuwa ni count state. So hii naiondoa, andika count state, count underscore state hapo, then save changes and come to refresh and output hapo. So now good, ambao ni hii, nikiklik napata hii. So query number 8, select average mean of investment where state in Dodoma and location is not urban. Select an average mean of investment. Kwa njia za kawaida kwenye Microsoft Excel kwenye investment, na hapa naweza ka select average mean. Maana yake ningeweza kuja hapa kwenye hapo, yes, expand it hapo, nika equal sign, nika call built-in function kwenye Excel inaitwa average, okay. Then nika pick array ya investment. Kwa ningeweza kuselect an array of investment. For example, nimeselect array, okay, mpaka at the end mwa data frame ambao ni hapo. Kisha nikaja juu, okay, ambao ni hapo, okay. Baada ya kuselect array yangu ambao ni hapa, nikaja nika close bracket kama hivi, okay, nika click enter. So you can see this is an average mean, okay. Lakini hapa tunachokuja kutofautisha na hiyo Excel kwamba kuna condition where state is Dodoma in locations not urban. So let's copy it, copy, and come to our project. So this is query number 9. So query number 9, so with dot x, let's choose expand, okay. Fungua hizo bracket kwa quotation na paste. So sababu inakuwa kwenye single line, hakikisha ile inakuwa kwenye single line. Another thing ni kuifanyia attribute kama vile add hizi hapa hizi, okay, hizo star. So this is query number 9 na ika namna hii. So selecting average mean of investment ni just kwa namna hii, where state is Dodoma, inakuwa namna hii, and this is location is not urban. So how to implement, na hizi hapa ni implement hii expander, okay. So hapa ngoja kutengeneza my user defined variable kwa ajili ya ku fetch data. So variable, for example, any variable name, for example unaandika variable avg equal to df, unafungua namna hii, okay. Then df unafungua namna hii, then kama kawaida na state, where is state hii hapo, mmevua where state equal to Dodoma, okay. So where state equal to Dodoma, sorry, where state hapo equal to, where state equal to Dodoma, where state equal to Dodoma and location is not urban as well. So hapa na just kuweka end, kuweka end kwa ajili ya kuunganisha hii query, and hizi zinakuwa kwenye bracket, then df location is not urban, whereas location we have urban, rural, okay. So select your what location is not urban, okay. Location is not, so kusema not kwenye Python tunafanya negation, na negation inakuwa na symbol namna hiyo, inakuwa kama ina exclamatory mark namna hiyo na equal sign kwa namna hiyo, afu unaandika hiyo urban u inaanza kutoita, afu lazima uandike kama inavyoonekana pale the same, usije kaandika tofauti, is not urban. So ukikosea spelling haita return chochote kwa umeandika kweli ya uongo. So select a average mean ya investment investment dot access built-in function inaitwa dot mean. So output inapokuja katika mfumo wa single value, so just copy it hapo, paste, then unaweka hii avg hapa, same avg save changes, come to refresh and output. So scroll down, query number 9, click average mean ni hapo. Okay. So another query is query number 10. Select summation of investment where expire is the date range from January to 21 to January 16, 21. So copy it, come to our project. Okay, then this is query number, I think query number 10. So let's write query number 10 with, let's zoom it, with st dot choose expander. Okay, and then open the brackets and then paste. Sababu hii inakuwa katika the single line, so hakikisha ipo katika the single line. So sasa hivi kwa hizi columns utazi body mwenyewe. Okay, so hapa na just kuweka hiyo hapo, implement hiyo function ya expander ambayo hii nimeimplement. Okay, so now select summation. Select summation maana yake ni nini? Summation maana yake jumla, yani summation maana yake ni jumla. So select my user defined variable hapo, hiyo variable naipa jina la sum. Okay, unaipa jina la sum, hii inakuwa uwezo kutumia kwa sababu tayari ni reserved word au keyword. Uwezo kutumia keyword au special words kama user defined. So sasa kama sikuimalizie hii inakuwa kama ni user defined. Okay, okay, so equal to df kama hii, nakuja kucopy date range ile ambayo nilishaiandika somewhere. Df hapa date range, hapa df expire from this range to this range, you copy it. Okay, nakuja kuipaste hapa. Okay, but what summation of investment, you don't know it after summation of investment na where what state in Dodoma, mwangalia na where state is Dodoma. So hapa moja kuongeza hiyo condition nyingine and unaandika df then state, I think hapo equal to Dodoma and state equal to Dodoma. Okay, so kisha tunatafuta summation ya investment. So hapa tunaandika tu hii single array then investment. Hapa mwisho tunatumia dot parameter, tuna access method hapa inaitwa sum, sababu ni built-in function na kwa namna hii. Output zikija zinaje katika mfumo wa single value, so just naweka namna hii, then hapa na call my variable inaitwa summation, then this is st.info, then save changes and come to refresh and output kwenye project hapo. So navigate chini huko kwa number 10, nikiclick so you can see this is a summation. Okay, so now query number 11, select median. So hii hapa ilikuwa ni another descriptive statistic, so let's copy it kwenye query number 10 and paste it. This na hii ilikuwa ni sum. Okay, let's copy it, the same code. It's query number 11. Query number 11 hii ni median, that's right hapa median. Okay, so let's copy with the st.expander from hapo, paste hiyo hapo hapo, then na implement ndani ya kupaste hapa. Okay, select median of investment. So from investment ambayo ni hii hapa, select the median. So median unaipata vipi? So let's open hii hapo. How to get median kwenye series of number. For example, x equal to this value. Okay. I think ni comma. How to get median ni ku step number 1, sort x in ascending order. When set hizi value katika ascending order, then apply manual formula. Apply manual formula ya kufind median kwenye Excel. So sasa hivi hatutumii manual system, tunatumia Python find median. Okay, I think after copying now hii query number hii, select the median of investment and rating where state is Mwanza and location is urban and investment is greater than here. Okay, so let's copy it. Copy jo hapo still to expand paste. So sababu hiyo ni single statement, lazima iwe kweli single statement. Sasa baada ya kuimplement kama hapo unakuja. Okay. So what is median? Median ni central value. Unasema central value. Okay. Okay, so hapa anaandika user defined variable anabeba jina la, I think median sio special word median. So median equal to df and hapo, and again let's back it on my df. So find the median of investment where state is Mwanza, location is urban and investment is greater than. Okay, where state is Mwanza, so let's choose state and equal to, let's write Mwanza, and the location is urban, and location is urban as you see. Okay, so hapa naandika and bracket namna hii df location and equal to urban, and the location is urban and investment is greater than. So hapa naandika tena just and bracket df, so investment is right greater or equal to kiwango, I think. So median tunatafuta kwenye investment na rating. Find the median of investment and the rating. So hapa tuna just kuandika two dimensional arrays. Median tunatafuta kwenye investment comma rating, then hapa mwisho dot access median, sababu median ni built-in function kama unapo kama miko. Sasa values zinapokuwa zinakuja zinakuja katika mfumo wa data frame. So hapa tunaandika st dot data frame, so values zinakuja katika mfumo wa data frame. Okay, then access ya user defined variable ambayo inaitwa median hii hapa. Okay, median. Save changes, query number 11, come to refresh and output. Okay, so now good. Yep, if you click, so now you can see median of investment and a median of rating, but where state is Mwanza and location is urban and investment is greater than. So we have select this. Okay, I think it's good. Again, tunaenda kwenye query number 12. Okay, so now copy it. I think query number 12 is complicated. Select the median of investment and the rating where state is Mwanza, location is urban, and investment is greater than here hapo, and expire is a date range from this one and this one. I think in the application ya query ambayo ni hii, let's copy the same query and come to duplicate. So this is query number 12, also is median. That's query number 12, and date range, of course nije ni copy hapo and nije ni duplicate hapa. Okay, hapa ambapo nilicopy. So remove this line, okay, and paste your line. Kwa sababu hii ni just a single statement, basi narudisha hapa na hii narudi hapa kwa namna hii. So the same query isipokuwa hapa hapa tuna add date range. So here is date range, of course tulisha define hii hapa date range. So naja kuicopy hii hapa, control C shortcut ya kupaste, kisha nakuja hapa humu ndani, nikuonyesha, nakuja hapa naika end, kisha control V nimepaste. Okay, hivi call the same code, then hii median just median 2 ili tupoteane na kwanza, and hapa just change kwa median 2. Okay, now save changes. Hiyo inakuwa ni query number 12 also. So just refresh and output query number 12. So as you see ni different na query hapa, different. Of course the values zimekuja the same. Query number 12, number 11, values zimekuja the same. Ni hapa kwenye hii of course median 2. Okay, hapa nimeka date range, date range okay, I think unajua kwanza kufanya analysis ya kuona kama hii query ime return true value. I don't sure. So hii ni just niweke warning, I don't sure kama ime return true value. Okay, so utai cross check mwenyewe. So hapa hivi katika select tabular data, so query number 13, select all from state where state equal to Dodoma. Okay, so hii just nitatumia hapa st dot I think dot success, st dot success, then kwa sababu nataka hii iwe na so select by tabular, na kwa select by tabular. Okay, then with st.x expander. Okay, na kwa namna hii, then mndani naweka hii. Okay, so this query number 13, select all from state where state equal to Dodoma, and just equal namna hii. I think query hii inafanana na somewhere kuna query kwa namna hii, select county state where state. Okay, kama query number 13, so kuna print moja kwa moja data frame, st.data frame. Okay, so is df na kuisha namna hii. Okay, then df na kwa hivi, then nachagua state, where state mbwa ni equal to Dodoma. So state equal to Dodoma, so just somewhere hapa equal to Dodoma. So the iterator use container width equal to true. Save changes, come to refresh and output. So now good. Select by tabular and right click. This is tabular. Okay, so now assignment na ambayo wewe unaweza kaifanya. Yes, okay. Now your task. So your task is to this application, okay. Yes. Nimeshia kwenye query number 13 ambayo ni hii, okay. So in query number 14, select all from state and region, where state Dodoma and region is East. So you unaweza write 15, unaweza write query na hii just unaweza write, okay. 17 unaweza write. Say query number 17, select at least 5 most high frequent of investment where expire is a date range, okay. So na unaweza write. Query number 18, the same queries zinajirudia. 19, I think query number 20 itakuwa ni complicated kwa wewe, sababu wenyewe ina select kubase na hii value ambazo zitakuwa selected hapa, okay. Mwanza, I think number 20 itakuwa complicated kwa wewe. So hizo ni task za wewe. So write a query from 14 to 20, your task ambayo itakuwa ndio hiyo utaifanya. So kwa nini? Kwa sababu almost query zote zinajirudia kama uko juu, isipokuwa una change mule ndani columns ambazo utaenda kuziselect. Isipokuwa hii itakuwa kidogo complicated, and I think source code imeshazi provide, utajust kuzitumia source code. Okay, thank you.